5 Best Dunkin Donuts Breakfast Items Everyone Should Try. The Wake Up Wrap is a nutritious breakfast option for college students, featuring proteins like bacon, sausage, or turkey, wrapped with eggs and cheese in a soft tortilla. Ideal for eating with one hand, it's perfect for busy commutes or classes, ensuring a filling start to the day. Stuffed bagel minis, second on our favorites list, feature bite-sized bagels filled with cream cheese, available in plain or everything seasoning. Perfect for on-the-go snacking, their balanced filling and bread ratio is irresistibly satisfying. Munchkins are bite-sized, shareable donuts perfect for carrying between classes. Available in flavors like glazed, chocolate, butternut, cinnamon, blueberry, jelly, and powdered, they easily satisfy a sweet tooth with just a few bites. Hash browns are a Dunkin' Donuts breakfast favorite, perfect with coffee or a sandwich. They're crispy, golden, and seasoned, providing lots of flavor in every bite. Ideal for on-the-go students needing a quick bite before class, they're convenient and delicious. Fifth on our Dunkin' breakfast list is muffins, perfect for a sweet start without extra sugar. Each moist, fluffy muffin is satisfying, with blueberry being the most popular choice.